This is WA reporting. After the surprise earthquake in 1970 of Mount Baker, we've been keeping close watch on Mount Baker because of how close it is to many cities. We've been receiving high amounts of tremors, possibly meaning an earthquake or another eruption. Now Richard will explain what would happen.
It's important to realize that the hazard around volcanoes like those we have in the Northwest goes well beyond the immediate environs of the volcano. It extends well downstream in lowlands areas, perhaps as much as 100 kilometers away from the volcano, as a result of these long-travel debris flows. Debris flows are basically masses of rock and mud and water that travel rapidly down slopes and downstream under the action of gravity. Volcanoes are a particularly ripe setting for large debris flows and debris flow disasters, in part because there are these huge steep piles of rubble and there's nearly an infinite supply of loose debris sitting there that can possibly get involved in one of these flows.
The report today is going to be a rainy day, slight chances of sun. The temperature this morning will be around 3 degrees, and throughout the day it'll turn into around 7 degrees. Wind speeds are 3 kilometers an hour. The precipitation is 70 and the humidity is 80%. If you're going outside, make sure you're prepared. Alright.
As of 5 minutes ago, we have been getting report as a typhoon jet off the coast of Vancouver Island, changing direction, heading straight toward to the low mean lane. 4 more days from now, expecting high wind and possible power outage. Please stay inside and do not drive unless you have an emergency.
As you can see in front of me, this is the picture about the small storm forming into what we now know. This is a typhoon. It is a spin thing right here. It's gonna be in the next few days. It will spin around faster and faster until reach the coast of Vancouver Island right here. The blue and the green will be the stronger wind and extra precipitation.